What you can do too is open the leg out to the side and fully straighten it down. Up and around, yes. Experiment with your hips. And then come back to that wide angle. Right in the middle, close your eyes, breathe. Roll out at your ankles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pull your knees in. We're going to come into a happy baby on the block, just like that. Hold it. Feel that release in your lower back. This pose feels very comfortable. I don't know about you. If it's not for you, let me know. But the block, I feel like, helps a lot. Extend one leg down, half happy baby. Big stretch for the hip flexors. Let's take 3 full breaths. Deep breath in. And out. Deep breath in. And out. One more. And out. Switch. Hold it for a moment. Deep breath in. And out. Deep breath in. Out. One more. In. Out. Come into a butterfly, recline butterfly, but keep your hips on the block. It's going to stretch a different angle in your groin, so just hold here for a moment. How are we doing, guys? We'll check in. Is anyone watching this live on the premiere? Say hey. Happy holidays, y'all. Doing a little rock side to side can feel really good too. Really trying to open the groin, relax the muscles of your inner thighs, release the pelvis. 3 full breaths. Deep breath in and out. Full